Hello everyone, welcome to my new gaming vlog. We are going to play Subway. So for now, let's go. So this is another one. Like we are in Paris. That's why it is showing 0 to 5. Over there. Now we got 1. So let's go. You know, I did not even change it. When I saw while I came in the game, this game. So, I was thinking to take a vlog of this, play together and take a vlog also. That's why I took. When I opened this game, it was really nice. It's looking like really good. It was really nice. I like it. But let us take skateboard now. Okay? Because I know sometimes I would be out, but sometimes I wouldn't. So that's still okay. Okay, I got it. Yay! I have to do the final. I played daily, that's why I got daily high score reward and all. Coin meter reward. Okay, that's nice. Bond. We only need bond. Till now. Not. But we did not do Jua. Oh. Okay. Oh, no. I was going to be out that. Just good that I took the skateboard. You know, I did not take it. I did not take the jetpack because I don't want. I want to just play normally. And if I take the jetpack, it won't be fun. For it to be fun, I want it. Oh, I got G. I hope I get O. Or I think I'll miss O. Let's check. I bet on missing O. You also bet. Write comment. Oh, yes, Yes, you wrote in the comment, I will not miss. They lost. Who wrote in the comment that I will miss? The O? There it goes. But now I got it. I think I'll miss R also. No, U. First U, then R. In bonjour. Oh, we missed the U. Yes, I won the bet. I'm not doing on purpose. I really missed it. Like J. No, like O. Okay, this time I want to take it. Now R we need to get. I hope I don't miss R. I bet I don't miss R. You comment. Will I miss it or not? Comment it fast. Comment it. Comment. Oh no, I lost the bet. Because I saw it in the down, but that doesn't mean lose because that was because I went up, so that doesn't mean lose. Yeah, I won. Because I went up, that doesn't mean lose. Okay, go. You know, guys, I cut it for a minute because for just a second. Because of my sneeze. I don't want you to hear my sneeze. That is why. Okay, I think so you like my action. Please love it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Oh no. Shit, I missed it. Oh, I got the jetpack. I was not going to get it, but I wanted to get it. I don't know. Let's start. Oh, whoa. How did we go like... Oh, that was nice. If you want, do the video back and see it again. Because I'm not sure you. If you like, share, and subscribe, I'll show you in the next video. That was a really good flip. You know, I still did not take it because I don't want it. I hate that thing. Or sometimes I think I told you I love it. Sometimes, like my mood, I'm only that white. That's why. Sometimes I will like it, or sometimes I won't like it. Oh, let's go. Wait. Oh yeah, we got two. No, I don't want to lose. That's why I'm not taking the board. I'll take a little bit more time. Oh no, shit. I missed it again. This time I don't want to miss. Okay, I think I need to take out the board. Let's take out. Yeah, I took it. Oh, jump. Shut up. Yeah. Oh, I had 2 keys. That is why I gave them 2 keys. Because I don't want to watch ads. I hate the ads. I really hate it, that's why. Please don't say anything about it in the comments. Because I don't like anybody to say that. Please. Don't say why did you give the 2 keys. You can buy things for the 2 keys. Or you can make 4 or 5 keys and then buy something. Don't tell. Please. It's my choice. I'll do what I want. Now then you'll tell like that in the comments that for just one ad you made 2 keys go like no. Not good. That's bad. It's my choice. Sometimes I want to watch ad, I'll watch. Understood? That's all. I'm not telling. So to be angry, I'm not telling that. Some people will tell that still okay. Some people will, oh see, I got 1 key. Like that I'll get only if I play. Like that I'll get. So we don't need to worry. We'll play and get more keys, that's all. Yes, finally got it. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's really fast on my bro. Bro, that's really fast. Who might tell me, bro? Anything. I just always say. Oh no, we got hurt. Like, I did this sound, isn't it? So when you see my older Spider 3 vlogs, I do that something a lot times when I'm riding a car or anything. Some vlogs are not good. Some are good. So please guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to me if you don't do it. So please do it. It's really important. So please do it. And comment which games I play next. Nobody should comment saying that. I'm telling you to comment this and like it and all. Subscribe if you're new. Please subscribe to my channel. See my older vlogs and like them. Don't forget to do it. Please do it. Like if you don't want to show your face or anything. If anything you're shy, so you can play this game with vlogs and then do like voice recording with all things and all. together. Sometimes you can do together voice recording, or sometimes you can do first video, then after that voice recording. Sometimes I do together, sometimes I do like separate. This is together only. Like before vlog I did separate. This is together. Oh, I need 24. No, I don't have that many things. Okay. Please guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do it. And bye all of you. Bye all. You can also make this like this gaming vlog. So bye and be successful.